Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply log out your Facebook ad account from your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Facebook Meta ads. So click on that. I'm going to simply click on here, and it's going to load up like so. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on the setting icon right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon right here again. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and click on logout right here, and this is going to pump up. Do you want to log out? If you log out, your draft will be deleted. Simply click on logout right here. As simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.